Hey guys, happy Monday. So I worked all day long, got home, and I don't want to spend a lot of time in the kitchen. So I got a bunch of stuff. I'm gonna put something together and I think it's gonna taste pretty amazing. Low carb tortillas. So let's spread a couple out and we're gonna stuff them, roll them, and stick them in a pan. So I got some diced tomatoes. I have some chopped tomatoes. Chopped red peppers, sun-dried tomatoes, and I've got some onion and feta cheese. Stick the seam side down, roll them up, seam side down, roll them up, and seam side down. I think I need probably 3 more.
Let's squeeze these together again. Just gonna
So my pan is pretty well packed. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a knife. I'm gonna slit some holes in these, kind of open them up a little bit. And you'll see why in a minute. I've got 8 eggs. We're gonna use about a cup of chicken stock, and I've got this 14 spice Badia spices. There's no salt, it's just a bunch of different spices. So we're gonna throw that in there, good tablespoon and a half. We're gonna whisk it all together. I'm just gonna pour this over the tortillas, right inside all the slits we just put in there. All right. How about some feta on top? Because you just can't go wrong with more feta. Perfect. We're gonna bake this in the oven at 350, and I'll tell you how long after it comes out. So we'll be back. Just out of the oven, guys, and it looks really good, and it smells amazing. I can't wait to cut into this and show you a look.